Hello, I'm Jan. In this video I would like to show you how Gitpod allows you to start coding almost immediately on any software project. Take NewShell for example. It's a terminal emulator written in Rust, and I've noticed an issue with it. I'd like to fix that issue, and normally to fix it I would need to clone the repository and install Rust, the correct version, and download a bunch of dependencies, then compile a project. But with Gitpod I don't need to do any of that because Gitpod takes care of the setup for me. To fix the issue, I simply open it in Gitpod using either this button that was added by my Gitpod browser extension, or I can manually type the prefix gitpod.io/hash in front of the URL, and this works with almost any GitHub or GitLab or Bitbucket URL. What this does is it creates a brand new Kubernetes pod just for me, and it will automatically clone the repository, check out the correct branch, install all the dependencies, and compile the entire project. So I don't really have any setup work to do right now. I can just wait for the pod to be ready. Alright, here we go. As you can see, all the sources are here, and NewShell has already compiled and is already running. So I can concentrate on just making my fix, which is here. I need to remove this. Then I can create a commit and add my change. I also need to fork the project because I don't have push access to NewShell. So I just click on this button and fork it to my GitHub account. There we go. Then I create the commit, and now I can just push it to GitHub and open a pull request. And here we go. I've created my pull request and fixed the bug, and now we can just wait for the reviewers to review my fix.